Today we will discuss a very important identity of algebra, which is x square minus y square. X square minus y square, and the formula says x plus y and x minus y. A very important concept. Let's see how we can implement this concept in this type of sums. Let's look at the first question. The question says 9x square minus 16y square. 9x square minus 16y square. Now remember, first of all, whenever this kind of question is given, the first thing that you need to do is you need to break this number in form of x square and y square. You need to convert this number in terms of x square and y square. So in case of 9, can we write 3x whole square? Yes, we can definitely write. And in case of 16, we can write 4y whole square. 3 3 is 9 and x into x is x square. 4 4 is 16 and y into y is y square. So we are writing 9x square as 3x whole square and 16y square as 4y whole square. Now let's see. A square minus b square. Let's consider this entire equation as x and let's this considered as entire equation as y. So our question has come in the form of x square and y square. So just put the formulas, that is x plus y. So 3x plus 4y would be the first part of the answer, and 3x minus 4y will be the second part of our answer, and this will be our complete answer. This is x plus y and x minus y. Let's move on to question number 2. This is another type of algebraic identities using the formula x square minus y square. 5 minus 20x square. Now you might think that there is no way possible we can break this 5 in power of 2. We cannot break this 5 in power of 2, but what we can do is we can take something common from these two variables. Let's see what we can take common. 5 and 20, we all know we can take common 5. So after taking 5 common, what does this we remain? From 5 5 goes 1 minus, and 20 from 5 goes, it is 4x square. So after taking 5 common from these two variables, we are getting 1 minus 4x square. Now I think you can convert 1 into the form of x square, and 4 we can write 2x whole square, just like we did in this part. So now this is x square minus y square. Just put the variables. 1 plus 2x, that is x plus y, and 1 minus 2x, that is x minus y, and this will be our complete answer for question number 2. Let's move on to another type of questions, that is a square minus b square minus a minus b. A very easy question, but it seems to be very difficult. Let's see. First of all, leave this part of the question. No need to solve this. Let's look at this. This is already in form of a square minus b square. X square minus y square, that same thing is given. Only the x is converted into a and the y is converted into b. So from there we can write a plus b and a minus b. This thing we can write as a plus b and a minus b, minus a minus b, keep it as it is. Now if we look at this part properly, from there we can write a plus b and a minus b, and over there minus a and minus minus is plus b. We can write this minus a and minus b. Now if we look at this equation properly, a plus b and a plus b will get common, and what is remaining? A minus b is remaining, minus 1. We have taken the entire thing common, so a minus b, from here a minus b is coming, put the minus sign as it is and put 1, and this will be our final answer. Let's go to type 4, a very important concept. Let's see how we can solve this. First, let's go through the question. A square plus b square minus 9c square plus 2ab. This is the question. Let's see how we can solve this. If we arrange this equation, can we write this? A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 9c square. What we are doing? We are taking this 2ab to this side and we are taking this minus 9c square to that side. Now the question is why we are doing? We are doing as because this is a formula. If you look at this properly, this is actually nothing but a plus b whole square, and 9c square we can write as 3c whole square in form of 3c. So now this entire thing is x and this entire thing is y. So what we need to do, a plus b one time and a minus b one time, and this is our complete answer. So these are the 4 type of sums which comes under the identity x square minus y square. Done.